the security of being in a place that's so nice. It's really helped, and it's made me concentrate more than maybe being in a city.
Just being able to interact with my lecturers and to talk to them, talk to my head of school, to know that they are always there. And I think I really enjoy that closeness, the community feeling.
I love my stay in Aberystwyth, a really nice, friendly place, essentially. That's how I think of Aberystwyth.
The best thing has been how welcoming the other students have been. I've been out on pub crawls and all the rest of it, and they've just been fantastic and treated me as one of their own. It's just been fantastic, it really has.
It's the best place to live.
It just becomes your home away from home.
It's just such a beautiful place to live as well, with the seaside and look at the sun. Oh, it's beautiful.
I love it. I'm originally from Northamptonshire and it couldn't be more different. It's just nice and quiet and safe, and I've got a young son, so it's just a good place to bring up kids as well.
It's so small, but it still has everything and it has a lot of life. I think it's really amazing. There's probably not that many towns around like it.
You make so many great friends. You've got, it's small, but you have so much of a social life as well. There's the beach you can go to, and the town's really good. I just had the best 3 years of my life, really.
Oh, it's brilliant. It's a weird little town, but I loved every minute of it. No, I don't think I'll ever go anywhere like this again.
There's always be someone that you know, if you're in trouble, that can help you. You know, you can't go down the street without knowing someone.
You don't just interact with students, you interact with the locals, you interact with the lecturers, and it makes it a lot more homely.
I came to Aberystwyth for an open day, and then I didn't go and visit my second choice because I loved Aberystwyth so much.
You get to know people from all kind of countries and, you know, with different nationalities, speaking tons of languages, and yeah, it's just brilliant.
Everyone knows everyone, so even if you go on a night out and lose your friends, you know, you'll go into the next pub and find them again, it's fine.
It's been the best 3 years of my life, and I'm really sad to be leaving, but I know I'll be coming back.
I have a lot of really good memories from this place, so I figured I'd stay on for one more year and make some more.